Introduction to common issues with AWS Amplify AppSync integration. AWS Amplify and AppSync are powerful tools for building scalable and secure mobile and web applications. However, integrating these services can be challenging and prone to common issues. In this tutorial, we will explore the most common problems that developers face when integrating AWS Amplify with AppSync and provide practical solutions to overcome them. Understanding the basics of AWS Amplify and AppSync. Before diving into the common issues, it is essential to understand the basics of AWS Amplify and AppSync. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps developers build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications. AppSync, on the other hand, is a managed GraphQL service that makes it easy to build scalable and secure APIs. Common issues with AWS Amplify AppSync integration. One of the most common issues with AWS Amplify AppSync integration is authentication and authorization. Many developers struggle with configuring the correct authentication and authorization settings, which can lead to errors and security vulnerabilities. Another common issue is data modeling, where developers may struggle to define the correct data models for their AppSync schema. Practical solutions to common issues. To overcome authentication and authorization issues, developers should ensure that they have configured the correct AWS credentials and authentication settings in their Amplify project. Additionally, they should use AWS IAM roles to manage access to their AppSync API. To overcome data modeling issues, developers should use the AppSync schema editor to define their data models and ensure that they are correctly linked to their Amplify project. Best practices for AWS Amplify AppSync integration. To ensure a smooth and successful integration of AWS Amplify and AppSync, developers should follow best practices such as testing and validating their AppSync schema, using AWS IAM roles to manage access, and monitoring their application for errors and security vulnerabilities. By following these best practices, developers can build scalable and secure applications that meet the needs of their users. Conclusion. In conclusion, integrating AWS Amplify with AppSync can be challenging, but by understanding the common issues and following practical solutions and best practices, developers can overcome these challenges and build successful applications. By taking the time to configure authentication and authorization settings correctly, define accurate data models, and follow best practices, developers can ensure a smooth and successful integration of AWS Amplify and AppSync.